In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Webull Script Editor. We'll walk through creating a custom indicator from start to finish on the Webull web trade platform in your browser, so you can turn your trading ideas into something you can actually see on the chart. First, head to Webull Web Trade using your preferred browser. This is the web-based trading interface, and it gives you access to the charting tools and the script editor we'll be using. Once the platform loads, you'll land on the main dashboard. Next, open a stock chart. You can do this by searching for any ticker you want to analyze and selecting the chart view. Pick any time frame or chart type you like. The custom indicator you're about to create will work across symbols and periods, so choose whatever makes sense for your workflow. Now, look for the indicator's icon on the chart toolbar. It typically sits near the top of the chart window and opens the list of built-in studies. Click it to bring up the indicators panel. This is where you can browse presets, but it's also the gateway to building your own. To create a custom indicator, open the script editor by selecting New Indicator. This action launches the editor window where you'll write and manage your custom logic. You'll see a name field and a code area, along with a preview section so you can spot issues before applying changes to your live chart. Give your indicator a clear, descriptive name. It helps to capture what the script does, like referencing the calculation or time period. Good naming makes it easier to find and reuse later. In the code area, write the indicator code. Webull's editor supports a straightforward scripting syntax designed for technical studies. Keep your code organized with comments, define any inputs you want to tweak later, and calculate your values step by step before plotting them. For example, you might compute an average, compare it with price or volume, and then plot the result so it displays directly on your chart. If the editor flags an error, read the message carefully and adjust the syntax. The preview is your friend for quick checks. When you're happy with the logic, click Save or Apply. Save stores the indicator in your list so you can use it again anytime, while Apply adds it to the current chart immediately. After applying, confirm that the plot appears as expected and aligns with your idea. That's it. You've created a custom indicator in Webull Web Trade using the script editor.